Hey guys, this is Akosia Bay, the face behind Tastebud. At Tastebud, we do weekend soups and weekend stews, and we cook one of the best jollof on social media. We take orders for funeral, weddings, engagement, naming ceremony, office gig. Like if you need someone to come over to do your cooking for you, we are available. Currently, we are running a promo for Valentine's Day. With as low as 100 cedis, we can serve you goat jollof, a bottle of non-alcoholic wine, and a bar of chocolate. Free delivery within some part of Accra. This is our contact 0264 503255, 020 5797 491. Hit us up and let's attend to your kitchen needs. We are just a DM or a call away. We are on Facebook as Tastebud, on Twitter as TastebudGH, on IG TastebudGH. Thank you and have a beautiful weekend.
Welcome to my world, all the money 나도 방금 말을 걸어 내게 맡겨.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chippin. Today's recipe is a recipe that I found on the YouTuber's page. She goes by the name Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. She has a lot of great and super looking good recipes on there. So I found this recipe and I was like, yo, I gotta reproduce this. You also check her page out. She really got a lot of good stuff going on.
너는 더욱 맑아지는 느낌 변한 끝에서라도 평생 나는 지신 묶인 말하며 그저 내 삶이라 되는지 잡아봐 내가 어디까지 가는지 그걸 내 고리는 하고도 과연 내가 빛을 내지 못하는지 악마를 내가 가라앉기를 원하지 불꽃이 꺼지길 원해요 boy 언제나 빛이 나니 정답이 뻔했지 정답이 got that fire I got that juice 밤이 되고 난 vampire 개처럼 물안 비린 on my empire with that loop feeling like I'm Alexander 다 빛이 내리대며 밤이 돼 난 vampire 밤이 되면 난 vampire 내리쳐진 베토벤의 War One I sipping juice from that moonlight 진짜 나 싫었던 항상 가르쳐 성공에 미쳐있지 보였죠 Cause you're ready for the glory Stay away from the night all night I got that fire I got that juice 밤이 되고 난 vampire 개처럼 물안 비린 on my empire with that loop feeling like I'm Alexander 다 빛이 내리대며 밤이 돼 난 vampire 밤이 되면 난 vampire 내리쳐진 베토벤의 War One I sipping juice from that moonlight 진짜 나 싫었던
Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Call filling up, I need product again. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Do me wrong, might slide on you. Do a backflip, cause I'm mad rich. I'm the definition of what that is. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. I'm a warrior, I go back to back, then go back to back. If I top the top, then I double back, and I'm topping that. Yeah, I beat my own records. Yeah, I gotta get money fetish. Same team, I don't set trip. Never dull, this electric. Went and put the Ricks on my toes. Me and bro, that's the give and go. Stay 100, end zone. Keep them coming. I know. I won't flood my wrist, no, I'm not dumb like that. No. I just wanna give my mama 100 racks. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'm